guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have 3 Mint Mongoose packages to share with you guys. So I had not been to my post office box in a very long time, and they probably sent a bunch of these back, but I have 3. I don't even know what months they're from. I just checked online to see if Mint Mongoose had changed at all in the past year, and sure enough, it has. So it starts at $16.99 and you get a shiny blue envelope with some jewelry in it. But if you commit to either a 6-month or a 12-month subscription, then you can lower the price that way. You can also add add-ons. So you do customize it. You can say that you want silver or gold or surprise me. You can also say whether or not you want earrings, like if you have pierced ears or not, and then you can add on, you know, all these random little things, kind of customizing it to what you would like to get in your monthly envelope. So let's see what's in these ones. I've been getting these for a really long time, and I always like the jewelry. It's a lot of really fun stuff. It's inexpensive, $16.99 for 3 pieces of jewelry. So you know, the quality is fair, but it's not going to be like your high quality kind of stuff. Although most of the stuff that I've gotten from Mint Mongoose stood the test of time and has been pretty good stuff that I wear all of the time because I like to wear lots of jewelry. I am very specifically not wearing any right now because I plan on putting some of this stuff on. I cannot get this envelope open. What the heck, dude? All right, there we go. And it has all this little extra stuff tied to it. Oh, a little cleaning cloth. That's nice. Okay, and then there's a note talking about the set and the inspiration for it. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read that tiny little writing, but something about my grandma, grandpa, and sister. Okay, so the first thing that I have is a necklace with a cute little pendant on it. Mine is silver. You see that? That's really pretty. I like this. I like that it's simple, but really lovely, and I can just shove it over my head. Look at that. Ooh, this is cool. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Can you see the little like flecks in there? I don't know what this is, but it's really pretty. This one is a little bit shorter. I am going to have to undo it, but I like this. Oh, that's really lovely. Nice. Okay, let's open another one. More Werthers. Ooh, look at that. Oh, leopard on there. So let's see some leopard inspired jewelry. I love that there's a picture of the inspiration for the jewelry sets. I think that's fun. I like that. Some cool earrings. Those are really cool, right? I like these. They kind of go with what I'm wearing too. My nice beige sweatshirt. Okay, so this one is just a small silver bar. I'm gonna have so many necklaces on by the time I'm done with this. Okay, and then this necklace matches the earrings. It has that same tiny little leopard pendant on it, although this one doesn't have the silver bar in the middle of it. So we've got the silver bar and the pendant, and then the earrings that have both. I'm putting all of these on the middle setting so you can kind of see the length. So we've got, you know, some different lengths here. Okay, and the third and final bag. This one isn't the same shiny blue. Inspiration for this one. Oh, look at that, a little oyster. Ooh, look at that. That's fun. I like those. And this one's quite long as well. I'm gonna have to like sit up to show you that one. Nice. And another necklace with this fun little pendant. That's kind of cool, right? And this one has a shorter chain. It's like right on top of the blue one. There we go. Can you see that? And then some earrings to match that fringy necklace. Just a couple of silver bars. I don't have double holes. These are fun. These are really lightweight. These would be very comfortable to wear, which is nice. Plus, I love simple things like this because they go with everything. They're just really easy to wear. Well, that was fun. Oh, I've missed my Mint Mongoose. Some really fun stuff. And they've definitely revamped their website and everything, at least since the last time I checked it out. But you still get your Werthers and some fun jewelry. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!